Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, cauliflower fresh salad, that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing and delicious, refreshing cauliflower salad, these are the ingredients: Himalaya salt, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, cucumber, jalapeños, tomato, cilantro, red onion, limes, avocado, and of course the star, the cauliflower. This is everything we need, so let's get started. Hi, I'm going to start first with the cauliflower. I'm going to cut it in 4 pieces, and then on the stove I have a pan with boiling water, and I'm going to add it in here and cook it for only 6 minutes. You want your cauliflower to be al dente. This refreshing salad is going to come out delicious and is perfect for this hot weather. Well, here I have my cucumber. I'm going to slice it through the center, and I'm going to remove all the seeds. Yes, I'm removing the seeds because if you leave them behind, the salad is going to get very watery, and that's exactly what you don't want. You want to make sure that you remove all the seeds from the cucumber, and then you start slicing your cucumber, cutting it in small little squares. And remember, all the ingredients need to be cut in small little squares so everything really combines and blend together. Well, here I'm going to continue with the cucumber, cutting it in small little squares. I'm going to go ahead, transfer it, continue with the tomatoes. The tomatoes, I am going to remove the seeds for the same reason. You don't want this amazing cauliflower salad to be watery. You want it nice and soft at the time, al dente. All those flavors are going to really give this salad a refreshing and delicious flavor. Well, here I'm going to transfer it. I want to continue with the red onion. I'm using the whole onion, and believe me, the colors of this fresh salad is going to be amazing. Just by looking at all these amazing colors, you could already imagine the flavors that you're gonna enjoy. I'm adding 2 jalapeños, but if you don't like spicy food, you could omit them. Just make sure that you take the seeds off and the vein, just in case one of these 2 jalapeños come out spicy. I love spicy food, but I want this salad to really have a lot of flavor, but yet not to be spicy at all. Of course, you could enjoy this refreshing salad with carne asada, grilled chicken, smoked shrimp. You decide, even with salmon. You are really going to love this amazing cauliflower salad. Here I'm getting it out of the boiling water, and like I said, only 6 minutes is enough. We're gonna let it rest until it comes to room temperature. This cauliflower is al dente. I have the cilantro, which I'm gonna dice in very small little pieces. I want the cilantro to really infuse all the flavors we have in this salad. The smaller the cilantro is, of course, is going to infuse this amazing salad. Of course, I'm using limes, and these are organic from my garden. I have 2 trees of lemons, and of course, this little gadget you could find in Walmart or any store. It's very easy to find, but yet it's perfect to get the juice out of the lemons and you don't leave any juice behind. Once this is done, well, now this is the best part. Getting the core off of the cauliflower. Remember, don't overcook your cauliflower. You want to make sure that your cauliflower is still al dente. This is going to really make a difference. And here, I'm just going to dice away, cut it. It actually pulls apart very easily. You want to make sure that you pull it apart so that it really combines and blends in with the rest of the ingredients. Look at this, all those amazing flavors. Here I'm adding salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm adding garlic powder, adding black pepper, and towards the end, the smoked paprika. Once you add your lemon, then you are ready to toss it. Combine all these amazing colors and flavors. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. It's nice and hot here in California. And of course, you can't forget your aguacate. I'm gonna slice it and then cube it and then add the 3 aguacates. This is the best part, adding all these ingredients. Once you add your aguacate, just mix it a little bit to combine it, and then it's ready. If you liked and loved this amazing salad, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, be part of Cooking with Gloria. Now I'm ready to pour it into the presentation plate. I can't wait to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it with just some chips, and this is gonna be amazing. I am sure you're going to love this refreshing cauliflower salad. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy it with my beautiful family. I am sure you are really going to love it. Delicious, refreshing, and very easy to prepare. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing cauliflower salad. Perfect for this hot weather. You could enjoy it with some chips, or you could garnish it with pieces of grilled chicken, smoked shrimp, carne asada. You decide. But now I am going to enjoy it just like that. I am sure you guys are going to love this amazing and refreshing cauliflower salad. Excuse me. Delicious. Everything is so fresh and delicious that I know you guys are going to love this amazing salad. To make this refreshed cauliflower salad. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.